install a generator for John Sessinger. Hope I'm pronouncing that right. And man, I don't even know where he came from. Let me see. He came from Ohio, and he's gonna go to the library while I install it. But here's the generator, ready to go. Just built this one the last couple days. I have a couple more already built, but they're gonna be shipped out to. One goes to California, and I forget where the other one goes, but those two are ready right there as well. And then I gotta install another one next week. So it's been busy. I'm on track to get this one installed in less than 3 hours. A couple of new additions to the Renegade. One was recommended by a customer, but I've added the conduit now so that the 120 wires are shielded all the way into the RV. And then this boot here on the 12 volt power connector. This was recommended by an RV dealership, that RV service center, I guess, that installed one of my generators for a customer. And he thought it was a good idea, and I think it's a good idea too. So it protects the 12 volt from shorting out on the frame if for some reason that was to occur. Great. Well, I got the generator installed in under 3 hours, but I still have to install the control panel on the inside, so back to work. Well, got it installed and running. It's pretty quiet, and I don't even have the extra muffler on there yet. Well, still got to install the control panel. Okay, installation complete. Generator's running, got the air conditioner on. Going nice and cold. Let's see how many amps. Let me turn it up some. How do you turn it? Okay, there we go. And let's see how much load it pulls. Boy, those air conditioners don't require much power. This is 7.5 amps. That's less than 1/3 load. That's pretty good. All right, that's quiet. Sitting right here in front of it. Just purring like a kid. All right, gotta put the door back on. What do you think?
I think this is amazing, and I would not buy an Onan if it was the last generator on Earth. I'd go back to flint and sticks to start a fire. Right there.
You want to come outside and hear how it sounds?
Yep.
All right.
I do. Like a whisper.
Listen to that.
It's beautiful.
Can
It is beautiful.
you barely hear it.
I love it.
Ain't that amazing?
This is my Christmas present to
That's your
myself.
Christmas present?
And all. Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you.
You know,
You've got a heck of a product, and I'm starting to link up with all those Rialta,
rallies and
rallies and stuff.
Uh-huh.
I'm just going to turn it on. I'll say, start your own, and start it up. Let's just compare to what you got.
And yours, this is about the quietest one every time I build one, I figure I figure out ways to make it a little bit better.
This is whisper quiet.
Isn't it though?
They can't even tell, actually, you can't even tell if you're like a campsite away.
Yeah.
They think, well, he's just running his car.
Yeah, it's just as quiet. It just doesn't sound like one of those construction. Exactly, yeah.
Yeah, no.
Yep.
You got it.
You're right.
You hit it on the head right there. You got this, I hope you get this trademark, and I hope you make $1 million, billions of dollars.
A couple hundred would be all right.
But I'll tell you, I would suggest franchise yourself.
Franchise? Yeah, I do need
Get some
need
outlets.
some help. Yeah. Oh, yeah, especially to install them and stuff.
And particularly on the coast. I go down to Florida. I mean, this is a Florida West Coast. I was out in California.
Uh-huh.
You know what people pay for these?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
$40,000-$50,000.
Oh, you mean for the RV?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then that says nothing about the bad owners that they got to read. I mean, they're scotch taping and duct taping those old owners to keep them running because they can't get the parts for the old originals.
Right.
So there you go.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, I'm selling a bunch of them. You know, I got one in there on the shelf now. I'm getting ready to ship to California. I think both of them might ship to Cal. I got 2 of them on the shelf right now, and I got another installed next week, and I gotta do at least 3 or 4 more before Christmas, before it's over, before this year's over.
So by the way, I gotta pay you.
Oh yeah. It's been a pleasure installing the generator for you.
I love it. I'll
not-
open it up,
it's
show
not-
you what we got.
It's not running at the moment, but me and John been trading war stories about these Rialtas. Look at that. That's nice and pretty, ain't it?
Actually, I knew you're a true wrench because you got a little bit of knuckle blood on there.
Is that what that is? I wasn't bleeding. I saw that, but
Maybe
I
that or it's ketchup or sauce. I don't know.
Maybe ketchup. Cause I wasn't bleeding, but I saw that earlier.
Say a good mechanic, you gotta bust a knuckle.
Yeah. Now I have my share of battle scars. Now I have my share, so I definitely.
No, I'm thoroughly pleased, happy with it. I fully recommend the
Renegade. Yes, sir.
My
You know what? I get a lot of orders. I have a lot of orders in the queue, and you know, I'm not asking anybody to promote it. I just want people to be happy with it. You know what I mean? The people who do buy it, I just want them to be happy with it, and that's why I work my butt off to make it as good as I can. You know, every time I can find a way to improve it, I do it.
Yeah, it's got the
You know?
Renegade right there.
Yep.
I couldn't look down and see
There it is, Rialta Renegade, 3,000 watt inverter generator.
Yeah. Quiet as anything.
Yeah. Well, all right, John, I'll let you get back to. You going back to Ohio?
I am.
Okay. Well, you be careful, and you're gonna have to wait on the traffic to die down. But once it's clear,
Yeah, I might. Yeah, I know.
you know how to look it up on your phone, right?
Yeah.
The Google Maps.
I've got it all back there. So what time are we talking? 5:21. I might go out and get myself something to eat.
Go get something to
wings
eat.
Good.
Yeah, actually, I
You
like
like
them.
that?
Yeah, I got lemon pepper.
What is it? Hometown?
What was it say? Home run or something?
Touchdown.
Touchdown wings.
Touchdown
Wings.
wings.
Yeah.
All right, Roland. Keep
John?
in touch. You come up with that switch, I'll be your first customer.
Okay, yeah, I'll figure that out.
Figure
I
that out?
think I'll figure it out. I know I want to do that. He's talking about a switch to turn the fans on for the cooling fans, even when the air conditioner's not on.
Right.
Right. Okay.
You
I'll
got that mind. I can see it working in you. You're just cranking in there.
I'll figure it out.
And if you do, you can go to you know where.
I'll let you go, bud. I'll have to cut that out. We'll see.
Well, next
Be
time I
careful.
see you, he'll say, "Are you the guy that was dissing me?"
Yep, he'll see it. Be careful.
All right.
All right.